fans niya sa gilid, sinisigawan siya.
Of course, it's a big thing for me.
Audience, galaw-galaw audience.
Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, tapos sumasagot day. Siyempre, first day jitters, medyo nag-overthink ako ngayon dahil first time ko dito to really direct Bulaga. And of course, it's a big thing for me. So, laban.
Audience, galaw-galaw audience para makakuha tayo shot. Bigger movements. Ready, Kelly. And go, Kelly. Move ka. Sayaw yung mga nasa gitna. Okay, full tayo ulit. Tighter kay Paolo. Go, Tres. Rochi, go. Ready muna sa full. Go, full. Ready, go, 4.
Thank you po.
Nakakatensyon to, ano? Nakakatensyon tong ano,
Yeah,
Thank you po,
welcome.
Kiosi.
Alam mo, after a while,
You get used to it.
mawawala na.
Siguro mga after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks. Okay, so done with first day, my first day ever. So, ano pa, pinapakalma ko pa yung sarili ko. Kasi give me 5, my gosh, medyo iba yung tension ko. Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, tapos sumasagutin yung utak ko.
Right there. But
The people here are so amazing. They know everything by heart. And I'm just glad that I'm working with, with Paul and everyone here.
Ready siya na. Last turn. Ready sa is. Exit ka. Game. 6 go.
Medyo upbeat yung song. Sabihin mo yung mga fans niya sa gilid, sinisigawan siya. Yung mga ganun na paglalabas na. Sige. And then, salon ka toto sa the go to the fans. And go. I don't think I'll survive my first day without them. Of course, Tita Pucci, Direk Pucci, for everything. Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam. Ever since I was 3, you've been there for me. And now I'm 42. You're still there for me. But I'm just glad that, itong mga sa journey ko na to, sa bawat milestone mula nung Little Miss ako, ngayong basically directing my first Itbulaga ever, you're still there. So, thank you. Thank you for the guidance and the patience and the love. I will make you proud.
thanks, Derek.
Thank you, Paul.
Uy, picture mo kami.
Guys, thank you so much for bearing with me. I'll get better.
Nice picture tayo. Ano ka ba? Best ka na nga dyan.
Diyos ko. Teka, natensyon ako dun sa ano?
Ano?
Natensyon ako dun sa, Gimme 5.